So it's been about a week, maybe a little more than a week ago, that I ended up getting 2 boxes from Jody Sims, Jode Zero. So let's take a look at these 2 boxes. I have opened them up already, but let's see what's in here. Let's see. Move this one out of the way. Oh. Got a Jode Zero Diecast project sticker. Howdy, thanks for taking part in Death Race 2025. It was a great time. Sorry for the delay in getting the prizes out this year. Hope all is well. Appreciate you so much. Couldn't have done it without you. Have a great holiday season. Take care and God bless. Jody Sims, Jode Zero. The Death Race 2025 was fantastic. If you haven't seen it already, be sure to go to his YouTube channel and check it out. I didn't fare all that well. I'm surprised I'm getting a box with anything, to be honest with you, because I did not fare all that well in the death race. But he still sent out something. I got a sticker, Death Race 2025 sticker. A 21 Ford Bronco. Much different than the OJ Ford Bronco. But anyhow, that'll be fun to work with. A 17 Audi RS6 Avant. Hot wagons. That's kind of cool. I haven't seen that before. And what have we got in here? Uh-oh. I feel a sneeze coming on. So if I sneeze, I apologize. I'll try and mute it out before it happens. Oh, I have a custom creation. That is cool. That must be one of Jody's creations, because I know I didn't win anything in the race. It was Keith and I, as I recall, that went head-to-head the very first race. And Keith won. This is cool, Jody. This is really cool. That turned out nice. I like that. So that's in that box. And then we got, like I said, the second box from Jody, which I was surprised to. I knew the death race shipments were going out. I didn't know another shipment was going out. Howdy, Jim. You're always doing cool stuff for your channel and the community. Thanks for helping out with death race in the past. Decided to pay it forward and give you my MLC Porsche 6 build. Enjoy, Jody Sims, Jode Zero. So it's this Porsche. Oh, P.S. If you want to pay it forward, give it away for a cooler nut. Noticed you've been trying to downsize. Yeah, I have been scaling things back. Now, that's a nice container for something. Probably the Porsche. I'm guessing that's the Porsche. Then he also threw in the 78 Dodge Little Red Express truck. That's cool. I've been tempted to do something with this casting in the past. I don't have the casting, but I've seen it. And it always crossed my mind as something cool. 1934 Chevy Master Coupe. I don't know. This makes me think of the Untouchables. It needs to be black. But yeah, it has that 30s gangster kind of feel to it. You know. So that's an interesting thought, Jody. About paying it forward. Me paying it forward, as you said, forward, and doing a cooler knot with it. I think I will. So everyone watching this video, be aware I'm going to do a separate. Can I get that out of there this way? A separate cooler knot video. A Jody version. That turned out nice, Jody. That turned out really nice. I like the wheels. Really good detail on it. That turned out really nice. Yeah, the details are great. So that's what I'm going to do. There is going to be a separate cool or not video. And you know, maybe I'll make it an all Jody cool or not and do both of them. Maybe I'll do separate cool or nots. I don't know. I'll think about it. I'll I'll let you know in the Cool or Not video. So stay tuned for that. Everybody check out Jody's channel. Jody Sims. I'll put a link to it in the video description. And Jode0, as I recall, over on Instagram, I believe it's Jode0. I believe it's Jody Sims on YouTube. Check out Death Race 2025 videos. Check out his builds. Does a lot of cool stuff. And I'm liking the Cool or Not idea, Jody. I like that. Everybody, thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.